Alright, Forex friends, welcome back once again to Mouteki.com. It is May 4th, just around 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's chart of the day, we're going to be looking and analyzing the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. As you can see currently on my screen, the 1 hour compression. My interest coming from the 1 hour line of demand that I'm seeing here in this market. As you can see, several areas of this demand line acting as support, and this was keeping our market here in a uptrend. And now what we have seen here is a violation of the line of demand. But furthermore, what we're seeing is Fibonacci respect in this movement for the continuation of the movement south that has come from the violation of the demand line in this market, leading supply back in, driving price down. Now where we begin to grow interest on this pair is not only the 1 hour line of demand that has been violated, but we also need to find a confluence of events using our Fibonacci in the smaller compression. Now what I'm looking at here is a movement that has created the attempt down to the line of demand to break that line. We have a nice pullback here in this market, and furthermore what you can see is that I have on the setup my Fibonacci expansions, and here we can see 61.8 respect. We see a retracement once again, and we've seen this market here come down to the 127.2 fib expansion, showing continued respect of the movement. Furthermore, what we're looking at this point is a retracement that we need for our entry. We're currently here pre-New York Open hitting the 23.6 retracement. I anticipate that we'll see a deeper retracement in the setup, mostly here to the 382 level, coming at the 0.9360 price level. Now this is giving me interest in the setup because overall what I'm looking to complete my payment to the 161.8 fib expansion that's resting down here at the 0.9290 price level. Now what is interestingly also lying at this level is a 144 fib zone. Now when I take the top of my movement at this point and grab my crosshair and measure out this movement, you will see that we have the 144 lying right at the 0.9288 price level, just 2 pips below where I have that green line, which is, as a matter of fact, creating a perfect overlap here for profit taking. Now currently where this market is lying at the 23.6, we would be needing to have entry on our 5-minute compression coming from price action, and this is why I'm now showing the 5-minute. So what we want to see here is a retracement, but again here at the 23.6, being that it is 8 a.m., I know that the New York session usually comes in and tries to throw in that fake out, which is the opposite direction, which we'll be trading it, which for me means a continuation of my retracement. And the area that I would like to see this market come to minimum is this 382 retracement, because from there, then I will open up pips for profit on my trade, giving me a level of just around, I believe, let's measure it, 65, 70 pips there, if the market were to make it to the 382 and give a retracement from there. So that would be a great trade opportunity right there. Now the reason why I've chosen to make this my chart of the day and bring great interest into the setup is because we are overlapping a potential profit zone, being the 161.8 fib expansion with the 144 zone. And when I see this in the market, I love that respect. I look for the 144, dominantly love to see bigger moves of 233, 377, and so on, which all of that is explained in my presentation if you haven't grabbed that on the blog. So this is what we're going to be looking for. Regarding an entry, as I said, what I will be looking for now is entries at my retracement levels. We have the 23.6, which the market is currently sitting at, but as I explained earlier, due to the fact that it is 8 a.m. and I still anticipate that the New York market will want to create a further retracement just to throw the head fake before driving the market the direction it needs to trade. So I anticipate we will see at least a 382 retracement, if not once again here testing the 0.9370 level, which was tested in the past. Found resistance from there, created a movement down. So potentially this area could become that area, which would open up even more pips for potential profit on our trade opportunity. So what we'll be using here is market timing along with our price action. Once we see nice dominant price action in this pair, then we will be looking to go south. Now by price action, if you're not familiar, what I'm looking for is engulfing patterns, large candles such as this, which show me that this market is turning, coming directly off of my retracement levels. So that's what we have here on Mouteki.com today. We'll be back later on to update current market situations. Until then, folks, have a great morning and happy trading.